Hey dears, how are you all? Hope you all attended your test well. Today we had our IELTS test. I thought of updating the review by morning section itself after completing the morning slot, but I just went out. That's why the review got delayed. Anyway, now in this video we will see the morning section and also evening section together just quickly. So I got some review from students after the test. So first we'll see regarding the evening slot. Okay. I got some messages from students soon after the test. So thank you so much for sending the review. So these messages are from Moga, Surat, then Jalandhar and all. Anyway, I don't want to read out each and every message. I will give you the complete review. So in the evening slot, so the listening section and the reading section was quite easy in the evening slot. Then regarding the question type, first we'll see about the listening module. In part 1, they got fill up type of question, that was one word only fill up, and it was quite easy. Then moving on to part 2, they got MCQs and also map completion. Okay, and it was also easy only. Then moving on to part 3, they got MCQs again, and it was little bit large MCQs and also match the information type of question. So same like we predicted early. Anyway, in part 4 they got fill up type of question, that was also one word only, and the audio was normal range only. The speed was in normal range only. So like that only he mentioned. Anyway, moving on to reading module. So listening module was quite easy. Moving on to reading module. In part 1 they got true, false, not given type of question and also fill up type of question. It was in not completion. And moving on to passage 2, they got list of heading type of question. It was matching type of question along with fill-ups and also MCQs. Then in passage 3, they got fill-up type of question again and MCQs. Okay, so as we mentioned, in every passage they got a fill-up type of question that I mentioned in my prediction video, same like that. Anyway, overall the reading module was in moderate level. And also he mentioned regarding the passage names. The passage 1 was something related to knowledge, and passage 2 related to fashion industry, and passage 3 was related to some studies. Okay. So now we'll see regarding the writing module. In task 1 they got table, and it was a simple table. And moving on to task 2, the question was, in many countries people have to go away from their family and friends to find work. Do advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So in my prediction video, I think I mentioned the question something related to this, but I mentioned about the person who are separating from the family and friends related to studies. Like that only I mentioned in the question, but it was related to work. But the question type was also same. It was outweigh type of question. So in the advantage side, you can able to explore different culture, you can study new language, and you will get new friends. Then for better salary package, for future development, everything you can mention in advantage. In case of disadvantage, you can mention about the separation from friends and family. You can't able to attend any type of functions related to family and all. You will not get leave. You want to travel a lot each and every time. Then you want to adjust with new climate, new environment and all. So that all things you can write under the disadvantages also. Anyway, thank you for your reviews. Okay, now we'll see regarding this morning slot. I think in some centers only they conducted in morning slot and evening slot. In some centers they have only one slot in the afternoon section only. I think so. So this was the message from Varun from Gujarat. And in the morning section, the listening section was easy. The question type, the part 1 was fill up type of question. Part 2, they got MCQs and map completion, and in part 3 they got MCQs only, and in last part fill up type of question. Yeah, somehow related to evening slot only, and the listening section was quite easy. Okay, moving on to reading section. In first passage they got true, false, not given type of question and also fill up type of question, and it was easy. In passage 2, match the information type of question, then yes, no, not given type and MCQs. In last passage, matching type of question again, and also selection of letters and fill-ups. So this was the question category. He didn't mention about the passage name. Anyway, the reading section was in moderate level. Then moving on to writing section, the task 1 was a bar chart, and it was about the men and women working in 4 different countries. Okay, and it was easy only. Then task 2, Most of the information comes from internet nowadays. Some people say that a large part of the information we get is incorrect. Do you agree with this? Okay, do you agree or disagree? So task 2 was a one-sided opinion essay that was related to this internet and all. I think this question also we mentioned in that prediction video. So most of the information is comes from internet nowadays. Some people say that a large part of the information we get is incorrect. So if you are accepting that, means you can agree with this statement and try to give proper reasons, and if you are disagreeing means you want to give reasons for that too. So third body paragraph is not so mandatory. If you have additional points means you can add that. So I hope you all attended well in morning section and also in the evening section. So all the very best for your results, and thank you so much for your reviews, and again all the very best for your test results. So try to message regarding that too. Okay, if you want the model answer means try to comment that below, and I will prepare one another video for that. So stay tuned for more updates related to IELTS. So the next IELTS test will be on 19th June, and regarding the updation from IDP, we already updated that in our channel regarding the test centers and all. They added new centers also. If you already booked for your IELTS test means you will get a detailed mail from the authority regarding the venue and everything. So what all are the precautions you want to take and all. You already know that you want to wear double mask during this speaking section and all. Some of the students already asked me regarding this speaking test whether they will conduct the speaking test again or not. They won't conduct it. They will consider your previous course for this speaking test. So don't worry regarding that. And you will get all the guidelines, what all are the precautions you want to take, everything from your candidate login. So try to check it out. So stay tuned, and I will be back soon.